Hello, my name's Tim Killick from MSV-Consultancy and welcome to this tutorial on Sharefile. Today we're going to have a look at shared folders, how we set those up and how we invite collaborators into those folders so they can see what's going on and work on those. So this is the login screen, MSV-Consultancy, so we've branded this up as we would be able to do for any of our clients. So I'll sign in and straight away we can see sort of recent folders that I've been putting together, shortcuts, tutorials of share files, which is really helpful. But we're putting together folders today. So I'll go into our folders and we want to create a shared folder. So I'm going to select share folder on the left here. Here's some shares I've already got going. I'm going to add to that by clicking that little plus symbol here and create folder. So it wants a name for that folder. I'm going to add a name. In fact, I'm going to create a folder to put my tutorial videos in. So I'm going to call that MSV Videos. I'm not going to give it a description, that's pretty self-explanatory, and I'm going to want to add some people to that so that they can see it and work on that folder. So create that folder, okay, and it's going to ask me for some people. Who do I want to add to this folder? So I'm going to add my colleague John. Okay, and we've got it set up. He's a colleague, as I say, and part of the work system here at MSV Consultancy. So I'm going to select him, and I'm going to give him some permissions. So I'm going to allow him to view it. I'm going to allow him to download contents. I don't want him to upload though, and I don't want him to have the power to delete, and I'm not going to give him admin to this folder. I do want to alert him, however, when there's new content in this folder. So I'm going to set that. I'm going to click add. And that's it. It's really as simple as that. And I need to add some content. Obviously, it's empty. I can look at the people who have access to this folder and what their level of permission are here. And there's various other bits that I could do. But in terms of setting it up, that's it. It's really quick, really simple. And I just need to upload content as and when. Thanks very much for watching.